Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dave Gilbert from Endure. I'm going to quickly go over how to use HubSpot's blogging tool, and I'm going to go over some of the cool features and then how to create a blog post. And I'm going to do this really quickly. I have about 4 minutes until I have a meeting, so I'm going to try and do this quick. I want to give you guys quick value. So here we go. First off, if you have multiple blogs, which HubSpot allows you to do under content, go to content settings, and there you can actually create multiple blogs. If you have multiple blogs for different verticals, let's say you serve, hot chocolate and coffee. You could create two different blogs, one about hot chocolate, one about coffee. This is where you'd actually go to change the blog. So we're on our primary blog. We only have one blog, but if we had multiple blogs, that's where we'd go to do that. They also have this cool thing called composition, where you can actually start creating blogs and then you can transition those. It's a little easier to write in the composition, so I do like using that tool. It's very similar to Medium. I can click there and show you real quick. But it's very similar to Medium or LinkedIn, so you'd write your title and then write your content here. Okay, let's go back to the blog for a second. You can see compositions in progress. We've already written that one. I wrote that one in the composition and then transitioned it to a new blog. Okay, so if you want to go into all your blog posts, you just click here. This will take you down to everything from drafts to scheduled to published to archived. Okay. And if you want to refine what you're looking at, you click through the authors, you click through blueprints. Blueprints are basically just templates that HubSpot has for you to use. So if you're looking at like 5 steps to do this or a list of links, then they have blueprints for that. If you want to look at a specific campaign, you can click there to segment all your articles that are tied to that campaign. Or if you want to look through topics. And just so you know, if you want to create new topics, you can come down here to the topics. And this is all the topics that we have at Endure, for example. And you could create an unlimited number of topics here, which would show up on your blog depending on how you do that. I'm not going to get into that really quick this time, but I just wanted to show you that topic tool down there. Also, if you want to look at any comments on any of your blogs, you can look there as well. Okay, now, so to create a blog, what you'll do is you'll come here, click New Blog. Like I said, they have the blueprint that you can use. Typically, I use the blank post. And under the blank post, you should have your template already set up for your blog, and then you can edit the modules. The modules are really just different parts of the blog. So we have this module, which is a title. We have this one with produce, which is automatically done for us, so we don't edit that. And you can edit those in the design, which we'll do another how-to video about sometime. But this one's just about blogs, so this is where you put your title. Then to actually create the content, you're going to come down here. What are you writing about today? And then this will pop up, which is where you can edit or add videos or add images, etc. So this is where you can start typing. If you want to type your content there or move it over from composition, it'll just show up there. If you want to insert videos, you can come here, insert video. So let's say you want to insert a video from YouTube. You could just paste in the URL of the video. I just grabbed that video off of YouTube, and you can click OK. And it'll embed it as long as it's enabled to be embedded. If it's not, then you'll need to find a different video that can be embedded. You can also use the embed code. Like if you go here, you'll notice that HubSpot automatically creates an embed code for you here with an iframe. Some of you might want to use an iframe, some of you might not. But if you want to just grab the embed code, you could put that in there as well. And then you can obviously put your content around that video or have it be the primary source or the primary image if you want to. Other things you can do in here is you can style your blog post for formats, so headings or fonts that you want to use or text size. You can insert tables, so if you have things from Excel. Typically, though, what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste from Excel, and it usually formats pretty nicely inside HubSpot's blog, which is nice. Also, editing, copy and pasting here, and then you also want to keep tabs on this more separator. So most blogs have like a little snippet at the beginning of their blogs that they're going through, and then they insert this more tab. That's pretty much it for the blog. All the things that you have set up in your design will show up on the sidebar if you have one or down below. Keep in mind you can always edit your modules over here. So like the image behind, we have this image that we pulled off of Unsplash, which is great for grabbing images that you can use. And we just replace that with a new image every time. You can change the width and height and the alt text that you want to put in there. So make sure you utilize these modules. Your blog will have several, I'm sure. Optimize is kind of cool because you can make sure that you're targeting the keywords that you need to within your blog. Quick way to do that. And also, this is really cool, being able to preview the different ways that your blog looks on devices. So whether it's desktop or through tablets or through phones, both landscape and vertical. And then you can preview the or preview the blog as a contact would see it as well. So if you want to see it as one of your contacts in your blog, you could do that there. And then you can actually copy a shareable preview, so you don't actually have to publish it, and you can send that to someone to look at. So all great stuff on the HubSpot blog tool that you can utilize. Additionally, when you get ready to publish it, you can come in here and change your title. You can change who the author is. Right now, that's me. You want to change the URL, putting in any keywords that you're targeting in the URL, the topics that you're targeting, which will just click on that and there'll be a drop-down list, the campaign, the meta description. Make sure and HubSpot will make sure that you get the right meta description length in there, but 160 characters for Google and the search engines. You can change your template down here if you have multiple templates for the blog. Really easy stuff to do. You can publish it now, or you can schedule it for later. Schedule it for later just allows you to publish at any point in time, so you don't have to do it now. So that's it, quick and dirty and to the point. So then you click schedule, and it obviously won't allow you to schedule it if you're missing some things. So that's it on scheduling a blog post inside of HubSpot. Hopefully it was helpful, and please look for more how-to videos. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.